Alright, so last night when I was finishing up, I noticed this and that. So all these wires have to be repaired in here before I can move forward with the carpets. So today I'm going to be doing wire repair at the same time as doing so I pulled out the wiring harness that was chewed. You see it's chewed there on that wire. It's definitely chewed and almost separated on that wire. This broke off from here. So this is all chewed apart, chewed here, chewed there, there. Oh no, I already did that one. So yeah, they went to town on this wiring harness, those animals. Oh yeah, it's chewed down here too on a few of these. So what I've decided to do is go on eBay and find a replacement harness, and I did, and I just ordered it. So I'm going to put this aside, and then when the new one gets in, which I've already matched up, it is the correct one that I've ordered. When the new one gets in, well, not the new one, the used new one, I will put it in, and I will be done with the wiring that got chewed.